A mother's hand casually pours a dose of heroin-laced syrup for her coughing child. This unsettling image reveals shocking historical customs that would get you arrested today, especially one sold openly as medicine. A heavy iron door clangs shut on a crowded, filthy room. In the 19th century, being unable to pay your debts could land you in a debtor's prison. These institutions forced people into hard labor in exchange for squalid living conditions, trapping them until family paid their way out. This practice was only fully abolished in the U.S. with the Bankruptcy Reform Act of 1978, but it was far from the only law targeting personal beliefs. A town crier points an accusing finger at a man in the public stocks. For centuries, blasphemy laws made it a crime to insult or show contempt for religion. Punishments ranged from fines and public humiliation to imprisonment or even execution in some cases. While still on the books in some places, enforcing them today in most Western nations would violate modern free speech protections. Yet this was nothing compared to how gentlemen settled their personal disputes. Two men in powdered wigs turned to face each other on a misty field. For centuries, dueling was an accepted, even honorable way for men to settle arguments over their reputation. A formal challenge would lead to a fight with pistols or swords, often ending in severe injury or death. This custom, now considered aggravated assault or murder, famously ended the life of U.S. founding father Alexander Hamilton in 1804. But even this violent tradition seems tame next to what was found in medicine cabinets. An apothecary grinds a human skull with a mortar and pestle. From ancient Rome well into the 19th century, corpse medicine was a shockingly common practice. Doctors prescribed remedies made from human bones, blood, and fat to treat everything from headaches to epilepsy. Powdered mummy was a prized ingredient sold openly in pharmacies to the wealthy. This would now violate countless laws, from corpse desecration to selling horrifically unapproved drugs. Still, it wasn't nearly as widespread as the legal poisons sold to everyone. A label on a glass bottle cheerfully advertises cocaine toothache drops. In the late 19th and early 20th centuries, you could buy patent medicines for any ailment without a prescription. These popular elixirs often contained staggering amounts of morphine, opium, cocaine, and even radium. Bayer famously marketed heroin as a non-addictive cough suppressant for children, while other tonics promised to cure cancer with little more than alcohol and opium. This deadly free-for-all only began to end with the creation of the FDA in 1906. From lethal medicines to legal duels, history is full of shocking norms. Let us know in the comments which one of these customs surprised you the most,